The sun is not always your friend when driving. It can create glare for the driver and passengers. Its UV radiation will gradually deteriorate interior materials, and it can contribute to skin aging and skin cancer. And it can heat up your vehicle like a greenhouse, sometimes beyond what your AC system can battle. Tinting your car's windows, however, helps reduce all of those problems, and it gives you more privacy when cruising in your sanctum. Window tint film is relatively inexpensive and, with a little patience and attention to detail, easy to apply yourself. 1. Moto Shield Pro Premium Precut Ceramic Kit. This Precut kit of Moto Shield Pro ceramic film gives you a durable, high-quality window tint that's easier to apply than roll film. This strong 2mm film uses ceramic nanoparticles to block up to 99% of both UV and infrared radiation, helping protect the occupants and interior as well as blocking more solar heat. It's available in a variety of shades, ranging from 5% to 75% visible light transmission. You can buy a wide range of configurations for cars, SUVs, minivans, and trucks. A 10-foot roll of 20-inch film is about $50. 2. Custom Accessories Black Magic. This Custom Accessories Black Magic tint film comes with a tint percentage of either 20% or 5% visible light transmission. It has a scratch and fade-resistant coating and can be removed and reused if needed. A squeegee, cloth and utility knife are included with this purchase. Fade and scratch-resistant tinting film is designed for cars, trucks, vans and home use. 3. Gila Static Cling 5% VLT Automotive Window Tint. The Gila Static Cling Automotive Window Tint paired with their application kit that removes the need for professional installation. This static cling film will reduce glare and make driving safer when the sun is shining on you. This product comes with a 2-year limited warranty. 4. TOYOCO Car Window Tint Film. TOYOCO Car Window Tint Film provides heat and UV blockage, privacy protection, scratch resistance, HD vision, and excellent heat resistance. It effectively blocks most UV and sunlight heat to create a comfortable indoor environment, while ensuring unblocked mobile signals and navigation. The film also protects privacy without affecting visibility, and has scratch-resistant properties to reduce the possibility of glass being scratched and broken. The dark outer film does not affect driving experience, providing high-definition viewing angles and smooth signals. It can also help reduce the use of air conditioners and save fuel. 5. KMDES Car Window Tint Film 20% VLT. KMDES Car Window Tint Film 20% VLT blocks 90% of infrared radiation, provides 99% UV protection, is explosion-proof, and has one-way perspective function for improved privacy. It is easy to apply and has an anti-scratch layer. KMDES offers 3 months of satisfactory after-sales service. 6. Artint Window Tint Kit. Designed for a more painless installation process, Artint DIY window tint kits are computer-cut specifically for your make, model and year. Windshield Pre-Cut Window Tint Strip Kit for your vehicle made by Artint. Designed for DIY installation from novices to professionals. 5-year warranty-backed film. Designed and manufactured in America.